Okay, so the things that we're doing today, first we have a reading comprehension. Watch the video, and then after you watch the video, pull it up. It's a Kami assignment, and you can fill it out, read it 3 times, and then answer the questions. I think on the video, I've pretty much gone through it with you. So the next thing I have is a Nearpod lesson. There's a video there as well that'll walk you through it. For this Nearpod, we're talking a lot about when 2 vowels go walking. The first one does the talking, and so we're trying to find those words with those vowel teams. So that's our Nearpod. Shark School, Chapter 4. So listen to that. Finish Lexia for the week. If you're all done, I have other activities. Read for 20 minutes. I have a link to The Shoe Fits with GetEpic.com. That's a really good book if you want to start there. Journal. Bobby has asked you a question for your journal prompt, and he'd like to know what your opinion is. It has to do with tornadoes and spiders. I think your answers will be interesting. Okay, we've got a focus test. If you could go ahead and take that. That's with spellingcity.com. There's a video. Watch the video and then go into Spelling City. Sight words. There's that test too. Watch the video and then go into Spelling City and take the test. And then next, math. Math, there's a video about fractions, so watch the video. There is a fractions book. That's a Kami assignment. So watch the video about how to do the assignment and then go into it with Kami. You're going to show me what a half a circle looks like, a fourth of a circle, a third, a sixth, and an eighth of a circle. And coloring with the Kami tools, I think, is kind of fun. So anyway, and then we have a Unit 7 test with Think Central. I have a video that walks through the test. I will walk through it with you, kind of help you. You can do that, and it'll help you, show you exactly where you need to go, what it's talking about, and then take the test. It has to do with telling time, measurement, and shapes, the things that we've been talking about. And then for science, flashcards, just kind of as a review to double check you know what force, motion, push, and pull mean. And then I've got a really cool video that shows experiments you could do with force and motion. These are things that you don't do at home without an adult, but they're really cool to watch. So you can show your parents, and if they will do it with you, more power to you, but you have to do it with an adult. And then one last video, learn more about the sun, because we're making our sundials this week. And then I have a little wiggle break for you. So those are the things we're doing today. We also have a recess at 12. So if you can be part of our recess at 12, we'd love to see you. We'll have some activities, and have a good Friday.